Are you ready to immerse yourself in a world where every breath you take is a refreshing embrace? Welcome to another episode of Renopod. Today we have Guy right here with us and we are going to share about choosing the right air purifier for your dream home.
So is actually air purifier good for health?
It depends on the brand and model, but generally air purifier is efficient, right, in terms of purifying and creating a fresh, clean air so they can breathe easily.
But what about those who are suffering from asthma?
For people suffering from asthma, right, air purifier will be good because it can help to improve the indoor air quality. It can help to reduce the symptom for asthma patient, as it will like filter out dust mite or even smoke.
Are all the air purifiers are generally the same?
Depends. Some of the devices have different mode of operation that include sleep, gentle, turbo, and auto. They are also using some smart technology, right, to automatically filter out particles and harmful gases.
Wow, this air purifier is also quite cool.
Yes, and some of it come in different sizes. For example, there are the compact one and also medium size one. Usually for the medium size one, it's about your knee level or below.
What about the pricing wise?
Different air purifier definitely have different prices, but it can generally start from $250 to up to $900. Of course, the higher tier air purifier will provide your home with more function as well as cleaner air for your home.
Technically, air purifier should be easy to clean and maintain, right?
Basically, it's just like cleaning your vacuum cleaner. So what you do is you just open it and you just throw away the dust and wash and wipe and you are done.
Sounds so easy. I might consider getting one for my future dream home.
Yeah, I think you should get it. Okay, for homeowners who are looking for air purifier, you can consider getting one. Okay, but for homeowners who are looking for renovation tips and ideas, you can visit renopedia.sg. It's an online renovation platform for you to find home inspiration tips, ideas, and solutions. If you engage an interior design firm via Renopedia, you have a chance to win up to $50,000. So that's all for our Renopod today. If you have any comment, please leave it below our comment box. I see you at the next Renopod.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.